Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, let us learn some brief information about genetics as well as let us know some terms which are present in the genetics. Many of the people think that genetics means the characters are passed from the parents to the children. But how can they pass? Is it very simple? If we assume, we need to know why they happen. For example, if we take a mango tree, why does a mango tree give rise to another mango tree? Why not a banana tree or other trees? Why does a dog give birth to another dog? Why does a human give birth to humans? Why not animals? So, for all these questions, we may think that answer is nature. Coming to humans, every individual does not look similar to their parents. Why the kids are different from their parents? There will be many questions raising in our minds. To know all these answers, we need to study the branch of genetics. As per introduction in the last video, in simple terms, genetics can be defined as branch of biology that deals with the heredity and genetic variation. To begin our study on genetics, let us know some of the terms in brief. Let us start with heredity. For suppose, if we take a family, here we can observe that the kid has features of his father and features of his mother. He has got both the features each of their parents. Thus, we can say that passing of traits or characters from parents to their offsprings. Now, let us learn about the terms traits and characters. In this case, the child has blue-colored eyes like his father and black-colored eyes like his mother. So, in this case, we have two different types of eyes. Not only two colors, we can observe many eye colors in the existence of nature. So here we come to know that eye color is the character. The eye color varies among the populations of a particular species, and the traits can be either black or blue, which is exclusive for that particular individual. In the same way, we can take other examples like hair color is a character and black or blonde are the traits. Height is a character, tall or short are the traits. Passing of traits from one generation to the other is called heredity. And what had passed to the next generation is called inheritance. Next, coming to variations. Variations are nothing but differences that makes the organism from its parents. To get back into our previous part, now let us know how the foundations of genetics were laid. Genetical studies were started since the classical era, where many scientists like Aristotle, Hippocrates had gave few theories on the passing of parental characters to the next generation. A scientist named Augustinian Freyer carried out experiments based on garden pea plants, and he gave the concept of modern day genetics. Later, it was around 19th century. The scientist named Gregor John Mendel, who is known as father of genetics. While Mendel was working in his garden, he raised a question in his mind that why does a green pea plant with a particular trait give rise to the plants with the same trait? For example, purple colored flowered plants give rise to purple colored flowered plants. In the same way, white colored flowered plants give rise to white colored flowered plants only. Then he himself thought that what would happen if these two varieties of plants were crossed? With all these questions which led in his mind, he started some experiments that would help him for finding answers for his questions. But he thought that how could he do these experiments, what are the requirements, and what is the procedure, and what could be the possible conclusions. So, friends, let us learn all the answers for these questions one after the other in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Friends, if you like this video, please share and subscribe.